Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, it's Cotton Puffs and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have two squishy packages from Delightful Boutique. And these are both pre-opened packages, so it is not my initial reaction you will be seeing. And I put these two packages together because otherwise if I just did one of the packages, it would be a very small video. So let's just get started. Starting off with the smaller package. This is my purchased item. I got the Preemie Mario Mini Mango Mochi Seal. It came with their business card, my invoice, and a note, so I'll open that up. Here's the little note. I'm just covering up my name because that's not something I'd like people on the internet to see. Here's their business card. It just says #ILoveDB. And I have like a whole collection of these I purchased from Delightful Boutique so often. And here's my invoice. So here is the squishy at a closer look. I love how it comes in this little box. It is so cute. It comes with this gold ball chain, or yellow, whatever you'd like to call it. And here is the seal. It is so adorable. Super soft and very slow rising. This squishy smells really nice like mango and very realistic smelling as well. And down here it just has these little like leaves on it. I'm not sure if you can see. And then it has its cute little face. I'm very sorry, but I won't be taking this out of the packaging because I think it's really nice in this crisp little baggie. And if you didn't know, these seals come with a magnet at the bottom, so you can actually stack the other seals in the set. You can stack the other seals in the set on top of them or below them. As you can see, this ball chain is like made out of metal, so it actually sticks to the squishy. And I thought that was pretty cool. And I'm sorry if because of the lighting you can't really see the squishy. But moving on to the extra. Delightful Boutique was super kind and included this extra. It is one of their mini buns, or mini snowy buns. I got the pink design. Oops, I'll squish it in the packaging first. It just has their cartoon drawn snowy on it. And at any point in this video, if the lighting seems to be going in and out, I'm very sorry. The sun is covering, or the clouds is covering up the sun quite a bit. So I'm very sorry about that, but there's nothing I can do. And back here it says delitefulboutique.com, and it comes with a pink ball chain. It is super soft and pretty slow rising for the size, I think. I personally like the amount of slow risingness. But this is really fun to squish, and I really like it. And it also smells like peach and strawberry, sort of like a mix, but it is a nice scent. But I will now move on to the next package. This package I got a lot more recently, and it is also a very small package, but let's just get started. I was super excited when I saw this in stock on the Last Chance folder. It is the Rare Repro Birthday Cake Hello Kitty Donut. And this is probably my favorite design out of all the Hello Kitty donuts, and I have wanted it for so long. Here is the tag, the one that just says Hello Kitty Sweets Cafe. It is super adorable. The squishy is so beautiful. It is pink and like cream or vanilla colored with chocolate drizzle, rainbow sprinkles, and a red bow. And it comes with this sticker on the back and the licensing down there as well. I personally don't think it has a scent on it. And like majority of the Hello Kitty donuts, it is very dense and fast rising, but that doesn't bother me. And because this is rare and very pretty and the sprinkles might fall off, I'm not going to squish it too many times, so I'll give it 2 more squishes. Anyway, that was great, but moving on to my extra. My extra is one of their newer Delightful Boutique snowy buns. They've come out with multiple designs of this, but these are the newer designs. It is like this pearlescent blue with snowy, I think he's in a present. I could never really tell.
If this could focus, it won't focus.
But it comes with a silver ball chain. And I will now take it out of packaging. Here is the snowy bun out of packaging. It is, you can even feel by the texture that it is very soft. And like all Delightful Boutique buns, it just says delightfulboutique.com around the back, or the like outer back. I don't really know what to call that. It is super soft, much softer than all my other ones, which I do have a lot of because I order from Delightful Boutique quite a bit, as I think I said earlier on, so sorry if I'm repeating myself. But this one smells very nice like blueberry, and it is super soft and very tiny and cute. But I really like the scent. It's very nice. It reminds me of the Fairy Floss Yummy Bear scent. And that was my extra for this packet.
I also forgot to mention, and it's very difficult to see, but right here on the present that Snowy is popping out of, it does say Delightful Boutique. And I just wanted to add that in. Lastly, I forgot to mention, in this package I did have another item. It was the mini iRoom I Am a Tokyo Toast. But that was from my friend, so I don't have it with me. But I just wanted to add that in.
But anyway guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments section below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!